To change the icon size on Samsung devices, start by long pressing on an empty area of the home screen. This will open the home screen settings. Locate the settings option, usually found at the bottom right of the screen, and select it. This will take you to the home screen settings menu, where you can adjust the layout. The first step is to modify the home screen grid, which can be done by selecting the home screen grid option and choosing from the available grid sizes, such as 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, or 5x6. As you make your selection, a preview will be displayed above the options, allowing you to see how the changes will look. Once you are satisfied, select Done. Next, return to the home screen settings by long pressing on an empty area again, and select the app's screen grid. This option allows you to change the size of the app icons within the app's screen, with the same grid size options as before. After making your selection and previewing the changes, select Done to save them. The final option is to change the folder size, which determines the size of the icons within folders on the home screen. To do this, long press on an empty area of the home screen once more, and navigate back to the settings menu. Then, select the folder grid option, and pick from the available sizes, either 3x4 or 4x4. After making your selection, the changes will be automatically applied.